Hi everyone, Carl from the Alliance. Some of you may have seen that I've been fishing with a prototype reel recently, the Kyori ST8. Decided to get one for myself, and when we was on our Alliance day, we had Ritchie Fisher go over the technical specs. Here's Ritchie now. Brought Ritchie in from the Radicals. Tell us a bit more about it.
Thanks very much. Yeah, the ST8 there is about an 8,000 size reel. It's lightweight aluminium body. Comes with two spools, a deep spool and a shallow spool for your braid. The line lay on this reel is absolutely incredible. I defy anybody to say otherwise. Each revolution of the handle will bring in roughly 90 centimetres of line, so just under a metre. The drag system on it is 18 kilo, so it's going to bring in anything that swims around our shores. Overall, it looks incredible, doesn't it? It's a beautiful looking reel and matches beautifully with the Kyori rod as well.